viewers, I've got this Sanru audio. Sanru is pronounced Sanwu, which is 3.5 in Mandarin Chinese. So 3.5 is the brand of this thing in English. 3.5 audio. Nice little 25 watt channel Bluetooth amp. Now I got these speakers, my brother bought this when DVD player first came out. What a nice Pioneer unit in their early stages. And a big Yamaha home theatre receiver which I've been trying to repair. I think I've done videos on it before, I've been trying to repair it. He bought these speakers with it as a surround sound speakers in a home theatre shop that normally sells pretty high-end gear at the time. It's moved, it's still in business, but it's moved elsewhere in town now. But they sell Marantz, Denon, Nad, Yamaha, Lowa, Metz, Schwab, Lorenzo, home theatre brands. But for a boutique shop that sells good quality stuff, you want to save a bit of money on the speakers. The main speakers he got are Rentals. They're American made, but I don't know about the drivers themselves, so they're a bit cheap. They sound okay, but they're a bit cheap. But this one and two rear speakers. These ones are Kevlar coned. The other ones are plastic coned, which I got and put away in storage. These are all made by the same company, RP Acoustics. They worked for a little while, then I noticed they were getting really scratchy and cut in and out. So upon opening this cabinet, these are going to be wide band speakers. And a boutique shop sold them. This shop's supposed to sell high quality gear, but they have a cheap shit range for those who don't want to spend much money. So whoever supplied these to them was probably a right band salesman or something. The wood's not very good quality, but I'm going to repair that. I'm going to repurpose this box. I've made an attempt at repairing these speakers in the past. One I repaired, and this one is yet to be repaired. You notice these silver tinsel leads? Well, they're not real tinsel leads. Check this out. In the middle there's just twine, string. It's just got wire trapped around, wrapped and twined around this string. If you see silver tinsel leads, yeah, be very wary, because they break with enough bass. There's a bass out quite a lot and it didn't last long. I only got about 3 or 4 years out of it when they started failing. The speakers themselves are okay, they're probably nice speakers. I like them, I just, you can see that one has failed. I've pulled it through and resoldered it. And this one, I've replaced the tinsel lead with a proper solid copper style from a blown car speaker, which I've repurposed the tinsel lead off. You see I've had a solder in there and put a heap of glue on it. That worked out okay. They're going to do the same for this one, and then both these ones have to be redone. You can buy tinsel lead from a speaker repair place. There's a good place in eBay that sells a couple of metre roll worth of tinsel lead. Good quality stuff too. I have a dig around my stash. I might have some of my stash, but I don't know if it's long enough. I can't remember. It's all smaller wattage stuff. It's not very expensive on eBay, so I might just go on eBay and buy it. It's relatively cheap for a 1 or 2 metre roll of proper tinsel lead, copper stuff like this one here is. This is what it's supposed to have, this proper copper tinsel lead, not this silver crap. I'll put some bass through this. It's going to be a 25 watt amplifier. I'll put a 24 volt power brick on this. 24 volts, more than 5 amps at least. I'll get 25 volts per channel out of this. Let's connect it up and do some good bass tests and see how long these crappy tinsel leads last. It's a real tweeter too. It's got a nice big magnet on that tweeter, about the same size as this. So it sounds okay, it's just those tinsel leads let it down. Alright, so flooding out. This speaker didn't bloody work. Check out this one. Nice and bassy. How long will that tinsel lead last, do you reckon? Oh, well, look at where it's flexing, eh? I wonder whether that lasts 5 minutes. This one, it's broken. Bloody thing. That tinsel lead must be broken too. I gotta jump to it. If I can do this, see how long it lasts, I'll be happy. I never really did this test on the original repair when I did this. Did this repair back in 2007. See where I soldered it, it's not so much cracking and stressing now. And this copper tensile lead, look how much more better it is. And much more resilient that copper tensile lead is compared to that silver crap. No, this must have broken elsewhere. That bloody thing. No, this one is broken elsewhere. No, that's alright. That speaker's working alright. This one. Yeah. No rattles or anything. That tensile lead. It's let it do this for a long time. See how long it lasts. Nice and bassy. No rattles that I can really hear. Just rattles and everything else. Nice Kevlar car, but a crappy bloody... Go through all that effort to make it look really good cosmetically, but put crap bloody electronics in there. This speaker here. Broke it in, look at that, a loose connection. Let's put a jumper on that, eh? And here. And in here. Go on the other side of that so I can get it to work. So far so good, that speaker still basing it, hasn't given up yet. No. I don't know, that one there's just got no connection at all whatsoever. I don't smell heat either, that's good, not smelling any burning, which is a good thing. There's a rated for 180 watts, or 60 watts nominal, so it's a good sign. That's not a bad thing. But this speaker, let's aim it up. Okay, viewers, I've carefully pulled this thing apart. The glue wasn't very good on this. My soldering worked, but electronically it would not work at all. So I just pulled it apart carefully. If you remove the voice coil, the glue just let go very easily. I've unravelled a tiny bit, not quite a turn's worth of coil there to get the extension out of it. That shouldn't affect the resistance too much. Now put it back in, set it, glue it again and glue and solder it again, glue it and then put the cone back in and glue it all up. Man, all this looks good, but gee, it's cheap materials. The glue's not very good on that. Wow, very cheap generic speakers. They look good, but they don't bloody... They aren't very good, longer lasting, are they? Anyway, I'll see if I can ever go repairing this just for the hell of it. I might even just put some adapter plates and put decent sort of speakers in this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching.